I just got a new phone and you can see all the follicles. Oh my gosh. Hello all, this is Queenie Lee. Welcome back to my channel. This video will be my 3-year DIY MICROLOCS update. I'm gonna talk about how my hair has changed. I'm also gonna give you those 360 views. I'm gonna give you some up close shots so you can see what's going on. I'm gonna talk about dryness, lint, follicles, my current routine, what I've learned over 3 years of being locked, things that I wish I could change, and things that I'm happy that have changed. I'm also going to answer the question, is my hair 100% locked yet? We'll see. I know some of you are gonna be like, wait, didn't she just post her 2-year update? How is she now at 3 years locked? The answer is, when I shot my 2-year update, I was in PA school, I had just started my clinical rotations, and yeah, it was a lot. So I didn't put it up. Now, here I am, officially 3 years locked. So let's get right into it. First, I'm gonna start by talking about lint. I still don't think that I have had any problems with lint, as far as I can tell. I don't see anything. And I personally think that that is because of the steps that I took to prevent lint from the jump. When I dry my hair, I always use my towel. Now, I love that towel. Yeah, that's the only towel I've ever used, so I think that's been very helpful. And in just a second, I will show you the back where most people get lint so that you can fact check and I can prove to you that I don't really think that I have lint. I'll also get up close around the end of the video, so make sure to watch so that you can see and look for any lint. But yeah, so I did that. Every night I wear a little head wrap that goes around the edges of my hair, but I also sleep on a silk pillowcase, so my head is not rubbing up against white cotton pillowcases every night. I think that those steps are what has really prevented me from ever having problems with lint. I also make sure that whenever I wear something that has a fuzzy hood, I have a hoodie underneath it that's not fuzzy so that I can prevent that. I also just don't lay my head down on fuzzy blankets or pillows. I do have some white fuzzy pillows. I don't put my head on them. I always pick a pillow that is not fuzzy. I still, since day one, have not had many problems with dryness at all. I don't put anything on my scalp. I don't put anything in my hair to moisturize it. All I do is wash my hair with Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo. If you're interested in that, you can look down in the description box. Now we're gonna talk about another thing, follicles. The follicles do annoy me. I do definitely have follicles. Follicles, no. But, I haven't taken the steps to dye them yet. At some point, when I do tint my follicles, if I ever do, I will definitely make sure to record and show you guys everything and tell you why I chose the dye that I chose, etc., etc. So keep on the lookout for that. My night routine is pretty simple. All I do is I put some type of head wrap around my edges. Sometimes that's an exercise head wrap. Sometimes it is a silk head wrap that my brother gave me. I don't cover my whole head because my head still gets hot, so unless it's really cold, then I might. When I wash my hair, if I really feel like I need a really deep wash, I don't braid and band before I wash. I just wash my scalp, I just put a big glob on there, I get it nice and sudsy, I stick my head under the faucet of the bathtub, rinse it all out, and then when I'm finally ready to get out of the bathtub, then I take my hair and I put it into probably somewhere between 10 to 20 braids. I keep it loose at the scalp. I tie the braid as tightly as possible. I don't have to use rubber bands because my hair will stay wherever I put it because my hair is so kinky. And I wear my hair like that most of the day until my hair is 80 to 90% dry. It'll still be marginally damp by the time I take it out, but I find that that helps me not have locks that are sticking together, and it also prevents my hair from really shrinking up, because if I were just to wash my hair and not stretch it, I feel like my locks would be about this long. They just want to go zoop. So that's what I do because it makes my hair more manageable if I stretch my locks. So yeah, that's how I've been washing it right now. I wash first, then I braid and band once my hair has been rinsed out but is not yet dry. I wash my hair probably once a week to once every 2 weeks to sometimes once every 3 weeks. It matters how much I'm exercising. If I'm exercising regularly, I'll wash my hair every week. So yep, that's my routine. And then when it comes to retightening, honestly, I just do it whenever I feel like it, but I never wait too long. If I think that I'm going through my edges and I'm ooh, I don't like the integrity of the way these locks look, and then I'll immediately start doing it, but I'll never wait 8 weeks. It's usually 6 or 7 weeks. So I just retighten it. In terms of retightening, I retighten myself still 100%. No one else touches my hair. That is my rule because I am very particular about certain things. And I think that that's a reason why a lot of people whose hair I have now locked or maintained keep coming back to me, because I'm the kind of person that I listen to your problems, because I've had so many problems with people touching my hair in the past that I consider what you guys are saying, because it's just like horrible to have a horrible experience with your hair. Now I have a question for you guys. My question is, do you feel as if my hair has finally dropped? And if you don't know what dropped means, I mean when my hair is noticeably longer than when I first started. Maybe like a couple weeks ago, I was like, I feel like it's a little bit longer. A little bit. Mind you, it's been 3 years, so most people by the end of 3 years have gotten whatever, six inches a year, 18 extra inches, but look at me with my like 1 to 2 inches. Anyways, my question is, do you guys think that my hair has dropped? Let me know your responses in the comment section below. I'd be interested in hearing what you guys have to say. So now we're gonna really quickly talk about what I have learned this whole locking process. And I would say that patience is key. Love what you got, especially since I just spoke about how my hair takes forever to grow. And I feel like if my hair has dropped at all over 3 years, it's probably been like 2 inches. And y'all know, I started with really long hair. Like my hair was 20 inches, and then when it shrunk up, it was about here. And so now my hair's here. Patience. I would say in the beginning of my locking process, my hair was not as thick. It had not yet shrunken up and swelled. By year 1, I think it had obviously like shrunken up, and it was always in the process of swelling. I think my hair's still in the process of swelling. And now it's year 3, and the big question is, do I feel, and do you guys feel, as if my hair is 100% locked? What do I wish I could change about my hair? The answer is nothing now. Yep, I wish I could change nothing about it. I love my hair unconditionally. I do sometimes wish that my hair were darker, because I like the way that that looks, but I've come to love the color of my hair, I think because of the locking process. Now I'm gonna talk about what I will be changing. I will be trimming my hair at some point so that it's all much more even. You can see that like little ones will stick down across the back. My friend Kala trimmed it. Kala, her Instagram is right down here. She also DIY microlocked her hair. She started with 2-strand twists. She trimmed it. I love what it looked like before and after, but I think I'm also gonna do something similar, so I'm excited for that. Okay, so let's get right into 360 views. Got a new phone and you can see all the follicles. Oh my gosh. Follicles, but I love everything else about it. Learn to love your hair. Look at them follicles. And the question I always get, which I always forget to answer, what am I doing to keep my ends curly? I am doing absolutely nothing is the answer. I don't do anything to keep my ends curly. This is just what they be doing. This is the place that most people see Lint. Right back here. Did you see Lint? I don't think you did, because I looked. If you're interested in any of the products that I have talked about that I think have really helped me not have problems with Lint, please look in the description box below. Let me show you the locks that I don't think are locked. Oh, it's mostly locked, actually. So here's the ones from the front. That's basically locked all the way up. Just a little curly at the end. Ooh, yeah, those are thick. These ones are from the very back. chunky, chunky monkeys. And then these ones are from the very front. Very skinny. And those are more medium size. See, like you got the skinny ones up front, you got the medium ones in the middle, and then you got the super thick ones in the back. Super thick ones in the back. Most of the unevenness in my hair has gone away. If there wasn't any unevenness where they started budding. So now I know what budding is versus bunching. I haven't had any bunching, I only had budding because I made sure to braid and band my hair from the jump. Very important, don't skip that step. Don't skip that step. Not until your hair is mostly locked. So yeah, what do you guys think? I think that my hair actually is mostly locked, but you know, you also get those one-offs that aren't. It's probably just a couple in the front, like these ones. The ends are still a little unlocked. Oh yeah, here's some that aren't locked. These ones, these little surprise ones, right up top in the front. I can see it, maybe you can't, but they're like locked until here and then the rest is unlocked. Yeah, you can still see the interlocking patterns. There you go. So maybe I would say my hair is probably like 90% locked, but not 100% shrunken, spun down, and swollen. I probably have to wait 5 years or something, and I think that's just because I started on such long hair. Now my question for you is, what do you guys want to see in YouTube videos? What do you want me to make videos about? What are your questions? What are some things that you guys have been dealing with? For all of that, please put it in the comment section below. I'm really excited to start making YouTube videos that you guys want to see more regularly, all about MICROLOCS. I also have this idea for making a YouTube video just talking about what it's like being black, what it's like being a black female with locks. And if you guys are interested in hearing about videos like that, please let me know in the comment section below. I'd really like to hear your thoughts. I know a lot of you guys are, some people are from Africa, some of my followers and my viewers are from Jamaica, some are from America, some are from Canada, some are from France. I love how diverse the people who watch my channel are, and I also love that I would say probably a lot of you are black. So I think it would be an interesting conversation to have between people who have different experiences being black in America, being black in other places, and having your hair like this, and how their family has accepted them, how the workplace has accepted them, and how they exist. If you like this video, make sure to like. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to click that notification bell so you can see them as soon as they're uploaded. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, if you have any answers to any of the questions that I talked about in this video, like if you saw lint, let me know. If you think that the follicles are super annoying and you've got a dye that you would recommend, please let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. This is Queenie Leem, and I'll see you in the next video.